Okay, we're going to create our own little server, and we're going to do this in the cloud. So the first thing, just go to Google and you go virtual machine hosting. Now, there's going to be a ton of different places that are happy to host. We're actually going to use Amazon's, so we're just going to go to aws.amazon.com/ec2. That's their Elastic Cloud hosting service. Now, this is a little bit different than shared hosting. I'll explain that a little bit later. But for now, go to Amazon, and you're going to have an account, and you'll probably have to sign up for their web services. Now, be advised that this costs money, but it'll probably cost about 25 cents, but be careful not to leave it on. So you go ahead and you sign up for it. And I'm going to actually skip this part because I've already done it, but you'll probably have to do this. When you're signed up, then you can sign into your AWS Management Console. I'm just going to fill this out and skip it, but I won't put it in the video. Now it looks like it drops me to its S3. I want the EC2 part. So it might dump you someplace different, but eventually you need to get to the Elastic Cloud. So the first question is, so this is going to be a program that allows us to create virtual machines. And the first question is, what is a virtual machine? You can think of it this way. Imagine you have your computer, your machine, and inside of it you have different programs running. And imagine you have these different programs running on your computer, and that's literally what's happening. Now, most of the time, you can think of, you're usually running Windows or Mac or something, maybe Linux. But what you can do, instead of running just other programs, you can also run other operating systems inside your computer, just like in other machines. For example, you could run another copy of Windows within Windows, which is actually what I do for most of these tutorials. For example, if we go to the background here, you'll notice that I'm running a copy of Windows. I can scroll over here and you can see the start menu here. But I also have a program called VMware, and inside this I can start up Windows, and I can run Windows within Windows. Give this a second just to start up, and it finally started up here. So you can kind of see that I have Windows, and I'm running just another program that's basically running Windows within Windows. So at its core, let's bring this back over here. You can see it's just the main idea of running Windows within Windows, or we could run a Linux here as well. So that's a virtual machine.